Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Car Lift is probably one of the most transformative tools for any home garage. It elevates your ability to perform maintenance, repairs, and customizations on your vehicle, making tasks easier, safer, and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic, a dedicated car enthusiast, or a DIYer, a car lift opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to work on your car with professional-grade convenience. Number 5. APlusLift HW10KOH a 10,000 lb 2-post car lift. This lift comes with an industry-leading 3-year warranty, a $499 value. It ensures that you're covered for any potential issues, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. The combo arm assembly is both symmetrical and asymmetrical. It also features adjustable screw pads, making it versatile for various vehicles. This design ensures a secure and adaptable lifting experience. The lift structure and hydraulic system are CE certified. It has been rigorously tested to handle 115% dynamic load capacity and 150% static load capacity. This certification guarantees its safety and reliability. One set of 4 tall truck adapters is included. It offers a maximum lift height of 6 feet 9 inches with the truck adapters. This feature makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks. The lift features a durable powder-coated finish on steel. The entire structure is robot welded for superior strength. This ensures the lift's longevity and resistance to wear and tear. It has a strong double S-column, and the carriage material is Q355 steel, which is stronger than normal Q235 steel. This robust construction enhances the lift's stability and load-bearing capacity. What we like. This lift comes with an industry-leading 3-year warranty, offering peace of mind. Its combo arm assembly provides flexibility for various vehicles. If you are a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who values long-term reliability and comprehensive coverage, you should consider this one. What people say. All of the welds look like they're wire-feed gas welds done by a machine. Another indication of build quality is that when I set the posts up and dialed in the exact same number of turns to the cable adjusters on either side, the two sides were so perfectly aligned that I couldn't tell the difference between the clicks on both columns. The power unit draws only 15 amps, so the 30 amp circuit is way overkill. Same with the concrete. While others of the same capacity call for 4.5 thickness, they build in a greater safety factor with this lift by calling for 6. While this is on the installer to do it this way, it again gives me confidence that I'm not going to end up a pancake underneath this thing. Number 4. Hydraulic car ramps 5T 10,000 pounds low profile. These ramps are built with heavy-duty steel, ensuring durability and strength. This construction guarantees a long service life, making them a reliable choice for your vehicle maintenance needs. With a minimum lift height of 7.7 inches and a maximum of 13 inches, these ramps offer great flexibility. The extended length is perfect for lowered sports cars, providing the clearance you need. These mini-lift car ramps are specifically designed for vehicles with low ground clearance. They can lift vehicles that standard ramps cannot, making it easier to work on your car. Each ramp features a built-in 5-ton hydraulic jack for added flexibility. This feature allows for easy lifting and provides the necessary support for various maintenance tasks. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these ramps are perfect. They are ideal for under-vehicle maintenance and inspections, making them a versatile tool for any garage or home setting. What we like. The built-in hydraulic jack makes this ramp incredibly versatile. Its low-profile design is perfect for sports cars and lowered vehicles. If you have a low-clearance vehicle and need easy access for maintenance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The ramps have safety pins. Once you raise them to the desired height, you can stick the pins through them to lock them so that even if the rams fail, they won't drop. The hydraulic jacks built into the ramps are a very large plus. I drove my truck on the ramps with no problem. Only thing you have to do if on concrete is make sure your tires don't push your ramps across the floor. Other than that, I had my avalanche on the ramps for hours with no issue. I was underneath my truck the whole time it was on the ramps. Number 3. QuickJack 5000 TL Portable Car Lift. This is the QuickJack 5000 TL, a portable car lift. It's ALI certified and has a 5,000 pounds capacity. It's a compact alternative to a two-post car lift. The QuickJack 5000 TL operates with a 110-volt AC power unit. You can simply plug it into a standard wall outlet to get it running. It comes with a remote pendant control. The remote has a 13-foot cord, giving you plenty of room to operate it safely. QuickJack is designed to lift an entire vehicle by engaging the OEM recommended lifting points. This ensures a safe and secure lift every time. Always use the QuickJack on a flat surface. Avoid using it on any surface with a slope greater than 3 degrees, as this is not considered safe. What we like. This portable lift plugs into a standard 110V outlet for easy use. It lifts the entire vehicle by engaging the recommended lifting points. If you are a home mechanic with limited space or need a lift you can move around, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The QuickJack is vastly safer than jack stands and much easier to use. Easy to assemble, easy to disconnect hoses to move to different location. It lifts your car higher and safer than floor jacking it up and doing a balancing act with jack stands. Number 2. Triumph NSS 8,000 pounds 4-post car lift. This car lift has an overall height of 84 inches. It's designed to provide ample space for lifting and storing vehicles. This feature ensures efficient use of vertical space in your garage or workshop. The overall length of this lift is 175 inches. This dimension is crucial for accommodating various vehicle sizes. It provides a stable and secure platform for your cars. With a drive-through width of 93 inches, it offers easy access for vehicles. This wide design simplifies the process of positioning cars onto the lift. It's user-friendly and efficient. The runway length is 165 inches, providing sufficient space for most vehicles. This length ensures that the car is properly supported during lifting and storage. It's a key feature for safety and functionality. This lift allows you to store one car on top and another underneath. It's a great way to double your parking or storage capacity. It's a smart solution for space optimization. What we like. This 4-post lift is designed for maximizing vertical space, allowing you to store a car on top and another below. If you have limited garage space and need to store multiple vehicles, this lift is a great option. What people say. The wheel kit is great, and allows me to easily move this monster around the room as needed. It requires a 30-amp 110V breaker and plug. The lift is good for both storage and performing maintenance in my view. Number 1. Triumph NT11 2-post auto lift. Introducing the Triumph NT11, a robust 2-post auto lift. This lift is designed to handle vehicles up to 11,000 pounds. It's a reliable solution for your lifting needs. With an overall height of 116 inches and a lifting height of 72 inches, this lift provides ample space. The lowered height is just 4.5 inches, making it easy to use. The overall width is 138 inches, and the distance between posts is 112 inches. This design ensures stability and accommodates various vehicle sizes. The Triumph NT11 is ISO 9001 and CE certified, ensuring quality and compliance. You can trust this lift for its performance and safety standards. Each lift comes with a free set of truck adapters and floor anchors. These accessories enhance the lift's versatility and ease of installation. What we like. This lift offers a high lifting height and a robust floor plate design. It's also ISO 9001 certified, ensuring quality and safety. If you are looking for a reliable and certified 2-post lift for your garage, you should consider this one. What people say. This lift is not that quality. However, it is big and heavy duty and lifts a 2020 2500 HD Silverado with ease. Also lifts my ATV. The bottom base plate is perfect spaced for column width and also helps keep them aligned during cable rigging and concrete anchor installation. After installation, first thing I lifted was a 3/4-ton truck, 10.000 lbs plus, worked just fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.